Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Swears here. Disclaimer, no investment advice provided. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please have a read of the disclaimer in your own time. Right guys, this is for Twitter and for YouTube, people that are interested in my videos and my charts and seeing how these moves in the markets are playing out. I just thought I'd make a quick few videos. They seem to be going down quite well. Let's just look at TIL, shall we? Tizania Life Sciences PLC, and TradingView saying sell, right? The technicals on TradingView saying sell. I have to disagree. In my humble opinion, I have to disagree with that. Let's go straight to the charts, yeah? I've made a quick few videos, some like mini podcasts recently. I've been posting charts for quite a while now, but the videos seem to be gaining popularity. So let's make a quick super fast video on TILs as a bit of an update. So what we've got, guys, we've got the charts, the daily chart. Every candle that you can see is a day of trading, and we can see this is what I think is the macro uptrend with TILs. I think it's in an uptrend. Okay, we have the sell-off, right? Okay, stock moves like water. It doesn't just move. It doesn't move in a linear fashion. It moves within geometric patterns and shapes and all sorts of different different algorithms, right? That the market makers and the elites and the dealers, that's how they move the markets. And this system of technical analysis that I have developed kind of like gives us an advantage because we can kind of suss out where they're moving the markets, right? Okay. Now, I think it's kind of broken out of this triangle configuration, kind of trended down a little bit once it hit this level here. Okay. By the looks of it, I think it's found support, right? I think it's found support at these levels here. All right. And looking at market structure, the bigger picture, there is market structure up ahead for this stock, right? To want to get back up in the medium term. I mean, I'll call it. I think there's market structure for it wanting eventually to get up to 300 plus P. Okay. Obviously, the market makers can move the markets any way they want, and as retail investors, right, we are nothing but passengers in the vehicle, which is the markets. We certainly don't have the resources to move the markets, so for us to have any chance of any sort of success, in my opinion, not financial advice, this is simply my opinion, we have to go with the big boys. We've got to go with the market makers, the dealers, and the elites. And this is what I do. I teach my version of technical analysis in Swayze's Charts Discord. We've got over 70 plus students now. We are growing into a thriving and vibrant community with like-minded people who want to try and give themselves an edge in how the market's moving, how in viewing and interpreting the data into a version of technical analysis which will, give us a heads up on where the market makers want to take price action. It's really as simple as that. So, don't listen to my opinion, right? I'm just a guy on Twitter, okay? I'm not here to say buy, sell, or hold. I have a fascination with technical analysis, and I love to see what the market makers are up to, and through technical analysis, okay? So it's for entertainment, educational purposes only. So this is like the daily chart. If we screw down to the 4-hour chart with this stock, we can see a little bit more in detail of what's been going on. We've had this downtrend. It looks to me that price has kind of broken out of this downtrend with like a mini area of consolidation, which also seems to be finding support. But I personally feel, by looking at the charts, that this stock is going to go bullish. Okay, I'm not saying when the market bell rings tomorrow morning it's going to go boom straight to the up. Price does not move that way, right? The market makers are very deceptive and very, very clever. It's their system, right? So it's their modus operandi and their agenda, right, to take out as many retail investors as possible. Why? It's all about achieving liquidity, taking people's stop losses out, making people sell. messing with people's emotions, all right, which is a very powerful weapon in the armory that they use against the retail investors. This is my opinion. And technical analysis gives us an advantage over many retail investors because it gives us an advantage through our systems and the many elements that we use and we employ, gives us a heads up on where we see price action, all right, not financial advice, of course. So it's a bit of a rangy market with tills. It's kind of a rangy market, kind of a macro uptrend, but like a bit of a rangy market within that macro uptrend. So let's see what happens. It looks bullish to me. I think it's found support, and if this macro trend is a real thing, price may want to revisit in the medium term 300 plus p. That's my opinion. I'm going to post this and keep this video relatively short. I'm going to bang it in Twitter and YouTube. I really appreciate you guys following me. We don't always get it right, okay, but out of the 3,500 tweets now made on the Twitter account, seeing how the markets move, we have a very high degree of accuracy, should I say, and extremely passionate about charting out the many markets. All right, I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will catch you knocking around on Twitter and YouTube. Thank you.